Hi, it's June 25, 2025, 8:29 a.m. Japan time. Let's start by reviewing the Japanese market from yesterday. The Nikkei closed at 38791. That's a 1.1% gain from the previous day. A pretty strong move overall. The Brazil index dropped sharply to 23.92, signaling a calm and confident market tone. That said, the battle with the interest rate is ongoing. The 30-year Japanese government bond yield sits at 2.9%, so we will have to see if the market can push higher from here. If we break above 39000 yen, we could start seeing a clearly path upward. Right now, the PL is 15.52 and the Nikkei EPS has recovered to 2499 yen. So even though rates are high, solid earnings are supporting equities. As for the yen, it's around 144.92 to the dollar, so the weak yen narrative is fading a bit. Still, the market remains strong. Of course, it's a shareholder meeting season in Japan, so that could also be contributing to the stretch. Although the tone is solid. Now shifting to the US market, until recently it looked a bit weaker than Japan, but it's rebounding over the past 3 days. The S&P closed at 6092, up about 1%, similarly to Japanese move. The VIX dropped to 17.48, showing a decrease of fear in the market. If that continues, we could see a stronger upward push. The S&P's VR is back near 29, which suggests the capital is returning to the U.S. equities. The U.S. 30-year bond yield is around 4.84%, and the MOVE index is at 92, fairly stable. Gold dropped sharply yesterday, down about 1.4%, now at $3321. It feels like capital is rotating into equities, while gold and Bitcoin have softened a bit. And despite ongoing issues like Iran and Israel, the market are moving with surprising strength. Power remarks might have played a role too. So even with these geopolitical tensions, we are seeing a quite yet firm bid in a risk asset, especially Japanese and US stocks. It's strange calm, as if we are in the eye of the storm. And that brings me to broader point. We are entering a world where political leaders' public statements often mix truth with fabrication. In this age of division, public communication is becoming more performative and less trustworthy. You will never know who's listening. Israel's response following a ceasefire with Iran also speaks volumes. Personally, I don't think the Iran-Israel story is a real headline. As I said yesterday, we must keep one eye on Taiwan. Okay, and that's all for today. If you anything think of this episode as a long bit, stay alert, stay hedged. See you tomorrow.